Today we're located in Reston, Virginia, in the heart of Reston, Lake Ann Village Center in the Washington Plaza. We are here today because the Reston Master Plan Special Study is reviewing the comprehensive plan guidance for the community of Reston. We are looking to guide future growth in the community. Growth in Reston is going to be focused in the transit station areas along the Dulles Toll Road adjacent to the existing and planned Metro Rail stations. In addition, growth will be focused in the village centers, the 5 village centers of Reston. The other village centers are not developed around a public plaza like this one, so into the future they are planned to transform to be built around a public plaza with community access, with high quality design and architecture. The residential neighborhoods, the convenience centers, other commercial areas are generally planned to remain as built. One of the strengths of Reston is that it has a very diverse housing stock. People of different ages, incomes, lifestyles can live in Reston, be born in Reston, and retire in Reston. So that is one of the things that this plan seeks to enshrine, is that into the future Reston's going to maintain diverse housing stock. Housing affordability in Reston is stressed under this plan. 12% or more affordable or workforce dwelling units are expected for any redevelopment within Reston, and we are seeking to maintain the existing residential neighborhoods of Reston. Reston is known for its connected and robust network of open space, trails, and green areas. Those areas, generally speaking, are planned to remain. With the Reston Master Plan, we can expect Reston to continue to be a premier planned community in the county.